Let's make this right over here, guys. They're making a school over here. This bike, I tell you, man, just pedaling. Oh my God, look at this. It is cold, but look at this thing. It's still 1100 watts. Look, 1100. I hope you guys can see that. 100. Man. This is going uphill here. This is a killer battery. This is what kills your battery right here. 9 miles. We did 9 miles. I wonder if this is the guy that almost hit me. Well, I got his plate number on my GoPro. We're gonna end it over here somewhere, guys. See, using the hand signals works. Using the hand signals works, guys. This guy trying to back in there. He made it. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end it here. I don't know how far we got with the recording. Once again, we did 9.20 miles. My top speed was 28 miles an hour. We went through Paterson, Glen, Fairlawn, Hawthorne, and back to Paterson. Guys, thank you. If you stayed this long, I thank you guys. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and give me the thumbs up. There'll be more of these coming. Thank you. Have a good day.